Okay, Roxbury, welcome to week 4 activities. Continuing on with our throwing and catching, we're going to add in some striking of an object this week. You can do that by playing 2 different games. Both of these games are going to be better played outside. If you have a large space in a house in a basement that's safe to use, that you're allowed to use without damaging or breaking anything in your house, then you can do that. All right, the games that I'm going to explain today: wiffle ball, all right, which is like baseball or softball, except used with plastic objects so that we're not breaking anything outside. Also, we're going to talk about kickball or mat ball as we play in class. So if you remember the rules of mat ball, that's really going to help you, because then you can kind of create your own mat ball game with your family. All right, brothers and sisters, mom and dad, hopefully they can play. Now, if you're playing wiffle ball, okay, a wiffle ball court or field shaped like a V, okay, you are standing at home plate, all right? The diagram that I have on the website is a picture of different point values that you get if you hit the ball to a certain area. So if you want to play this way, where you're hitting the ball and wherever the ball lands, you get that number of points, that's great. That would be perfect if you are doing this with just one other person, okay? If you have enough people in your family to play an actual wiffle ball game like baseball and softball, where you're hitting the ball, running to first base, to second base, to third base, all the way back home, if you have the people to do that and play with outs, awesome, okay? If you're by yourself and you maybe have one other person with you, then you can work on them throwing the ball to you, you swinging the bat, trying to hit the ball to the point values. If you're by yourself, you can toss the ball up to yourself and hit it to the point values. Okay, so it's really going to be how many people do you have, and then what type of space do you have. If you have an area in your backyard and it's nice weather day and you're able to get outside, you can mark these lines, okay, with some sort of object. A cone would work great, and then you're trying to hit the ball to those point values. All right, so that's something that you certainly could do outside, striking an object. Maybe you don't have a wiffle ball bat or a wiffle ball or anything really close to that, then that's where I would say try to find a ball to play kickball or mat ball, okay? And this is, again, create that same idea of the field. The ball is rolled to you. You're kicking the ball, running to first, second, third, home if you have enough people. If not, you can either kick the ball on your own, or maybe you have one other person that can roll it to you. And again, you're playing wherever the ball lands. That's the number of points that you get. Okay, I hope that you can continue to get outside. Hopefully the weather gets really nice and we're able to get outside every day to either walk, run, do some of the body break exercises that I've created for you, and also play these activities. All right, if you're inside because of the weather, definitely make sure you're doing the fitness circuits, and also try to find ways to play some of these games, activity games, inside your house with maybe safer objects, rolling those socks together to make a ball, something like that. Be creative with how you're getting exercise even when you can't get outside, okay? And I know you'll do that. I miss you guys. Hope you're all well and safe. Take care.